Guys, today I'm teaching you how to make a beautiful cheddar cheese dip. Check this out, and when you try it, you're going to have a new favorite to take to the party. Well, howdy folks, I'm Chef Trotter and this is Texas Cooking Today. Hey, what you're going to be making today is going to be some delicious food, and this is one of my recipe videos. Now if you get to the end of this and you're wondering how to pull off this, that, or the other, I'll tell you what, there's another show on this very same recipe. It's one of my tutorials. So I'll tell you what, it'll be the next episode after this one. Take a look at that. Those are really full of information. Now guys, thank you for watching. Let's get right into making this. Guys, that's good looking, isn't it? A wonderful cheese dip. Now this one's a cheddar cheese dip. It's not hard to make, and there's all kinds of things that you can add to it to jazz it up if you want. I'll show you that in a minute. So I'll tell you what, let's get in the kitchen. Let's get busy cooking this wonderful dish up. Come on. All right, guys, we got wonderful ingredients here. We got some shredded cheddar cheese. Oh, this is a cheddar cheese dip. I have some heavy cream here, some flour and butter, a bit of salt. Now for mine, I'm going to put in some jalapeno. And I'm doing this for two reasons. Number one, I love jalapeno in my cheese dip. But number two, I figured it'd be really cool to just let y'all know that if you want to add extra stuff to yours, you can do that. And there's a lot of stuff you can put in there. So kind of be thinking about that in the back of your head, things that you might enjoy. I'm going to be doing the jalapeno, so I'm going to add an extra step, which is simply cooking off the jalapeno before making my roux. Now, let's get at it. Okay guys, I've got my jalapeno all diced up and ready to go, and all of my other ingredients are measured out, and we're just ready to get this in the pan and up and cooking. Guys, you need to go ahead and get your butter down in your pot and get it melting, okay? I'm going to melt this over a medium flame. All right, we got the butter in our pan, and it's starting to melt now, guys. So I've just got that over medium heat. In a moment, we'll start cooking the vegetables, and that's about a 15-minute cook on those. Then we'll build our roux and work on the rest of it. Okay, the chilies are in the butter. We're going to put a lid on them, and we're going to let those sweat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Guys, don't forget to occasionally stir those chilies, okay? That's all you have to do. Once every 2 or 3 minutes, just do that when you're sweating. That way you know nothing is burning or getting too hot. We've added our flour, and we have that cooking until it turns a light tan. Okay guys, we're getting a light tan color from our butter, so I'm going to go ahead, and like I told you earlier, we're going to put this in quickly, not slowly, okay? Because if you take your time, you're going to have clumps, all right? So here we go. Now guys, if you notice right here, we have our cream down in this, and it is thickening over a medium flame. So I'm going to do that, and once it comes up nice and thick, I'm going to start putting my cheese in there. See, I'm starting to get steam, and that's just right. Now my sauce thickened up beautifully. I'm adding my cheese now. So I'm just gently working that in, one fistful at a time. Look at this, guys. It's coming together wonderfully. So just keep working your cheese in there until you get all of it in place. Now something you might want to know, if it seems a bit too thick, I've added a little bit of cream, about a tablespoon of cream, and then it looked good, so I added about another tablespoon. And the thing of it is as this cools, it thickens even more. So this is a good thing. Guys, look at this beautiful, beautiful dip that we have produced. See how smooth, kind of velvety it is, how it flows, how it holds shapes well, but it flows well at the same time. That's a beautiful dip, okay? And there you go. That's how to make a cheddar cheese dip. And let me tell you something, if you want something like this but you don't want the jalapeno in there, well, just omit the process of cooking jalapenos in the butter. Melt the butter, cook the flour in the butter, and then do the rest of it the exact same way. That's the only difference, okay? So you learn how to add stuff if you want. You don't have to, and it is a universally wonderful dip to use. Imagine this on your baked potato. Oh, imagine this over broccoli. Oh yeah. Okay guys, the ingredients that you're going to need for this, their quantities, are going to be 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. You remember, you want an extra sharp cheddar on this one, or a sharp. Don't go with a mild. It's just not going to work well for this. Now also, you're going to want your cream. That's heavy cream, whipping cream, whole cream, whatever you want to call it. That's cream, all right? You're going to need some butter, 3 tablespoons of butter for this. That's 1 cup of the cream. 2 tablespoons flour. About a half a teaspoon of salt. And of course, depending on your taste, whether you're going to be adding in other vegetables to your liking, and whatever you want to put in there, but figure about a half to 3/4 of a cup of anything you want chopped up, thrown in there. It's good stuff. There it is, guys. Those are your ingredients. Guys, this dip is the bomb. Now, so you know, if at any point it gets a little too thick, add a little cream, it'll be fine. All right, there you have it. Cheddar cheese dip. If you would, please do me a favor. Please subscribe. Put a comment down below. If you have a request, I take those too. Click the like button. I love it when you do that. And folks, please just have a good day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Man, this is good. Well, guys, once again, thank you very much for watching this show, for watching Texas Cooking Today. If you would, please go to my channel, check things out there. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I've got stuff coming out every single Thursday, so watch closely. There's some really good stuff coming your way. And thank you again for watching Texas Cooking Today.